You're about to hear a letter of recommendation that was written about you when you applied to adopt.
Lucy has always loved being around children. She studied child development. She's nurturing and caring with a gift for making children feel seen, safe and understood.
From a very, very young age, I was the child that said I wanted to be a mum when I grew up. Unfortunately, I have stage 4 endometriosis, which has affected my infertility. So for us, adoption was how we were going to become a family.
Her journey to start a family has been difficult. Her determination to become a parent makes me proud beyond words. She's a brilliant auntie to her niece and nephew, a role that she treasures. Whether she's building dens in the living room, heading to the beach, or taking them to the safari park, she brings joy and fun to everything they do together.
We had our niece and nephew down to stay for the week during the summer holidays. We took them to the local paddling pool. They were playing around. We'd not long moved into our new house. So I said to my husband, I think it's time we adopted some kids. Life has changed a lot since becoming a mum. Everyday activities are very, very different from running around swimming classes, school runs, but I wouldn't change it.
I know she will be a brilliant mum and she is ready to start her adoption journey. So it's with my pleasure that I recommend my sister Lucy to adopt a child.
I don't think there's ever a perfect time to become a parent. If you're waiting for that perfect time, you might be waiting for a very long time. If you're willing to adopt a child or children, as long as you've got the love in your heart and the space in your home, then you'll definitely be the right person. Make the phone call the adoption agency. They will talk you through everything. If you don't even think it's the right time, take that first step. And yeah, don't wait for tomorrow.